Welcome to the transformative world of QuantumMind AI, where we pioneer the future of artificial intelligence. We're at the forefront of an exciting new era, harnessing the power of generative pre-trained transformers, or GPTs, to revolutionize industries across the board. These advanced AI models, with their ability to understand context and generate human-like responses, are shifting paradigms and setting new standards. So, stay tuned. Join us as we delve into the incredible applications of GPTs across various industries. Imagine a tool so versatile it revolutionizes every industry it touches. That's the power of QuantumMind AI's generative pre-trained transformers, or GPTs for short. Picture the AI and IT industry. GPTs have become a cornerstone, automating tasks, managing data, and even designing software. They're like the invisible architects, constructing the digital landscapes of tomorrow. Now let's step into the world of cybersecurity. GPTs are the new sheriffs in town, identifying threats with pinpoint accuracy and responding at lightning-fast speeds. They're our digital guardians, keeping our virtual world safe and secure. Switch the scene to healthcare. GPTs are transforming it into a realm of precision and personalization. They're the doctors of data, diagnosing patterns and predicting outcomes to provide better care for patients. In the finance sector, GPTs are like the oracles of old, forecasting market trends and guiding investment strategies. They're the modern-day Midas, turning data into golden opportunities. Now imagine a bustling marketplace. In the world of marketing, GPTs are the ultimate communicators, crafting compelling narratives that resonate with audiences. They're the maestros of messaging, conducting symphonies of persuasion. And finally, in the world of logistics, GPTs are the masterminds of efficiency, orchestrating complex supply chains with ease. They're the conductors of commerce, ensuring that every product reaches its destination on time. These are just a few examples of how GPTs are hard at work, making a difference in our world. They're not just tools, they're catalysts of change, revolutionizing industries and reshaping our future. And the beauty of it all? This is just the beginning. GPTs are continually learning, adapting, and evolving just like us. They're not just mimicking human intelligence, they're enhancing it, pushing the boundaries of what's possible. From healthcare to marketing, QuantumMind AI's GPTs are the game-changing tools industries need. They're not just shaping our present, they're pioneering our future, and we can't wait to see what they'll do next. Intrigued about how GPTs understand context and generate human-like responses? Let's dive into their training process. Imagine GPTs as voracious readers. They devour vast amounts of text, learning language patterns, grammar, and even a bit of worldly wisdom. This process, known as unsupervised learning, forms the bedrock of their training. They aren't given explicit instructions, instead they learn by predicting the next word in a sentence, refining their understanding with every prediction. Now imagine a child learning a language. They start with simple words, then phrases, and gradually complex sentences. Similarly, GPTs begin with a limited vocabulary but expand it as they consume more text. This gradual learning process helps them grasp the nuances of human language, enabling them to generate human-like responses. But how does this translate into practical applications? Let's explore a few mini case studies. In the healthcare sector, for instance, GPTs are revolutionizing patient care. By understanding patient queries, they can provide preliminary diagnoses, freeing up doctors for more critical cases. In the financial sector, GPTs help analyze market trends, providing insights that drive business strategies. In the realm of customer service, GPTs are game changers. By understanding customer queries, they can provide instant, accurate responses, enhancing customer satisfaction. In creative industries, GPTs can draft promotional content, scripts, or even entire novels, unleashing a new wave of AI-driven creativity. Now, these are just a few examples. The beauty of GPTs lies in their adaptability. They can be fine-tuned to understand specific jargon, making them valuable across a multitude of industries. Whether it's understanding legal language for contract reviews or decoding complex scientific terms for research, GPTs have it covered. Remember, the key to GPT's prowess is their training. Like a sculptor chiseling a masterpiece, the training process shapes GPTs, enabling them to understand, respond, and adapt to diverse contexts. It's this adaptability that makes GPTs the superheroes of the AI world. QuantumMind AI's GPTs are not just smart, they're adaptable, making them an asset in any context. At QuantumMind AI, we don't just innovate, we innovate responsibly. Our commitment to ethical AI practices is integral to our operations. This commitment means ensuring our generative pre-trained transformers, or GPTs, are developed and deployed with utmost respect for data privacy and security. In the digital age, data is the new gold, and we treat it as such. We uphold the highest data privacy standards, ensuring that every piece of information used in training our models is anonymized and free from personal identifiers. This way, we guarantee that our AI doesn't just understand context, it respects privacy too. But our commitment to ethics doesn't stop there. We've also developed secure deployment methods, so when our GPTs start working in the real world, they do so in the safest way possible. Whether our AI is helping predict cyber threats or assisting in healthcare diagnoses, you can rest assured that security is never compromised. Don't just take our word for it though. We have industry experts and satisfied clients who can vouch for our commitment to responsible AI. From cybersecurity analysts to healthcare professionals, the consensus is clear. QuantumMind AI's GPTs are trustworthy and reliable. So when you choose QuantumMind AI, you're not just choosing a powerhouse of AI innovation. You're choosing a partner who values ethics and security as much as you do. QuantumMind AI's GPTs are not just powerful and versatile, they're secure and ethical too. Every business is unique, and so are its AI needs. In a world where one-size-fits-all solutions often fall short, QuantumMind AI offers a refreshing alternative. Our GPTs, or generative pre-trained transformers, can be tailored to meet the specific needs of your business, whether you're a tech startup in Silicon Valley, a logistics giant in Shanghai, or a healthcare provider in London. Imagine a customer service scenario where a client is seeking assistance. Instead of a generic response, QuantumMind AI's GPTs can provide personalized, context-aware replies. It's not just customer service that's revolutionized, but the entire customer experience. From product recommendations to after-sales service, every interaction is enhanced, leading to improved customer satisfaction and loyalty. Now let's switch gears and visualize a complex business operation. Perhaps it's inventory management in a large warehouse. With QuantumMind AI's GPTs, businesses can streamline operations, predicting inventory needs, optimizing supply chain logistics, and even foreseeing potential bottlenecks. The result? Significant cost savings and efficiency gains. But it doesn't stop there. QuantumMind AI's GPTs are not just about enhancing existing operations, they're about driving innovation. They can help businesses identify new market trends, uncover untapped opportunities, and even develop new products or services. And the best part? These AI solutions are not just for the big players. Small and medium-sized businesses can also leverage QuantumMind AI's GPTs to level the playing field and compete with industry giants. In essence, QuantumMind AI's GPTs are not just a tool. They are a transformative force that can elevate businesses to new heights. They enable businesses to understand their customers better, streamline their operations, and innovate faster. They are the key to unlocking unprecedented growth and efficiency. So, whether you're a business looking to improve your customer experience, optimize your operations, or drive innovation, QuantumMind AI's GPTs offer a tailored solution that can help you achieve your goals. With QuantumMind AI's GPTs, businesses can unlock unprecedented growth and efficiency. What does the future hold for AI? QuantumMind AI has a vision where AI is not just a tool but a transformative force that reshapes industries, businesses, and everyday lives. Our mission is to make AI accessible and beneficial to everyone, carving out a future where AI is a staple, not a luxury. Imagine a world where AI is not just about automating tasks, but about augmenting human capabilities. Picture a reality where AI's potential is harnessed for the greater good, pushing the boundaries of what is possible. That's the future QuantumMind AI envisions. Our journey to this future is guided by our commitment to ethical AI practices, ensuring that our AI solutions are developed and deployed responsibly. We're dedicated to protecting user privacy, ensuring data security, and promoting transparency. Our focus is not just on creating advanced AI solutions, but on fostering a culture of trust and reliability. Our vision is not just about the next big breakthrough in AI, it's about creating a sustainable AI ecosystem that drives innovation, fosters inclusivity, and promotes ethical practices. It's about harnessing the power of AI to tackle the pressing challenges of our time, from climate change to healthcare. QuantumMind AI is not just shaping the future of AI, we're shaping a future where AI is accessible, ethical, and transformative for all. The future of AI is here, and it's exciting. The transformative power of QuantumMind AI's generative pre-trained transformers is at your fingertips, ready to revolutionize industries and redefine possibilities. We invite you to delve deeper into the world of our GPTs, uncover their potential, and witness their impact. Follow us on our social media platforms for daily updates and insights. Reach out to us via our contact information for any queries or discussions. Join QuantumMind AI in pioneering the future of AI. Let's transform the world together. QuantumMind AI, elevating AI innovation.